Well, welcome back everyone to the MCRC, and a warm welcome also to 2024. I'm very excited about our scientific programming and again the impactful science that we'll be doing for our patients here in Manchester. I was honored to co-chair last week the AACR Specialty Conference on DNA Repair in Washington, D.C. This brought together scientists and clinicians from around the world to better understand how we use inhibitors of DNA repair and take advantage of DNA repair defects in human tumors. I was happy to see that many of the new compounds have entered not only phase 1, but now phase 2 and phase 3 trials and are making a difference to our patients. The Christie Hospital is driving a number of these new treatments within DDR deficient tumors, and we'll be leading the way to show impact for our patients with this new area of science. Just as a reminder, the GM Cancer Conference Awards are now underway. So for those individuals that are involved in innovation, early career research, but also teams in terms of Team Science Awards, please make sure you put in your applications and compete for these prestigious awards. We're very excited by the GM Cancer Conference that is happening in May of this year and to celebrate all of our researchers associated with cancer research in Manchester. In terms of roundup from the MCRC, we recently hosted Prostate Cancer Foundation USA as well as the John Black Foundation and showcased our extraordinary prostate cancer research program here in Manchester. We heard from our principal investigators, but also our early career researchers in areas such as oncologic imaging, in terms of hereditary prostate cancer, in terms of understanding prostate cancer between different ethnicities and genomic evolution, and also the importance of radiotherapy sciences within, again, bettering our treatment with precision radiotherapy. A hearty congratulations to Dr. Natalie Cook, who has been awarded a 5-year NIHR fellowship. She'll be focusing on cancers of the unknown primary and trying to understand using blood-based tests as to where the cancer starts and provide the optimum treatment for this otherwise sometimes difficult to treat cancer scenario. We're very proud, of course, of the scientific programming occurring in the new Patterson building, but also it's an exquisite example of novel architecture. I'm very proud that the building is actually now shortlisted for an award from the Greater Manchester Chamber of Commerce. And we recently had a visit from the award council, and we'll find out soon if indeed we win Building of the Year. Thanks for listening to this update, and we look forward to joining you again in February of this year for a further update.